The Red River is now starting to drop a little quicker in southern Manitoba. In the Arm of Rashot, it has dropped 2 inches at both St. Adolphe and St. Agathe since Monday. Since cresting earlier this month, the Red River has now dropped about 13 inches at St. Agathe and 10 inches at St. Adolphe. Closer to the U.S. border, it has already dropped nearly 3 feet at Emerson. Meanwhile, levels along the Roseau River have remained steady since Monday. Also in the last 24 hours, the Rat River near Otterburn has dropped 2 inches, while the Seine River near St. Anne has gone down 8 inches. For Steinbach Online, I'm Shannon Dewick.